In this video, we are unboxing the press bed fixture kit. Their yellow and blue stripe reflection board includes the storage bag, the alcohol spray bottle, the hot glue gun, the bridge puller, the bridge puller jaw, the matching puller studs, the adjusting nuts, the instruction manual, the T-handle, various sizes of puller tabs with studs, the double cup bridge puller, the plastic scraper, the manual bridge puller, the slide hammer puller, the inflatable air bladder, the rubber hammer, the yellow and black glue sticks, the towel, the gloves, the puller tabs, the repair pin tips, the repair pin, the reflection board stand. The kit includes yellow and black glue sticks. The yellow glue sticks are suitable for BMW, VW, Ford, and other European or American models. For summer, room temperature, use the shallow dents for single pull applications. Apply melted glue to the puller tab. It has high initial adhesion, medium cooling rate, and strong single pull force. Black glue sticks are suitable for Japanese models with thinner paint. For winter and low temperature, use the deep dents for multiple pulls. It has high flexibility, low temperature resistance, and strong adhesion for multiple pulls without the tab coming off. The kit includes 3 types of pulling tools. The slide hammer puller with a T-handle on top, applicable with small puller tabs and bridge puller strips, to use with the puller strips. The orange bridge puller is manual. It is applicable with standard puller tabs. The handle design gives us precise control over pulling force. The double cup bridge puller, applicable with stud-type puller tabs. It stays fixed on the vehicle and applies continuous pulling force to the dent. Using this vehicle for demonstration, use the reflection board to inspect the panel. We can see a noticeable dent on the side of the fender. Next, assemble the reflection board. Mount the stand on the back of the board. After installing, tighten the nut. Use the suction cup on the stand to attach it near the dent for convenient inspection during repair. If the reflection board gets in the way during the repair, we can swing it out of the way. Select the appropriate glue stick and heat them. Based on the vehicle, insert the glue stick. Plug in the glue gun and turn it on to heat up. Set the stand aside and use a towel to clean the repair surface. First, use the large bridge puller tab for broad dent repair. Apply hot glue evenly to the puller tab. Place the tab onto the dent area and press firmly until the glue sets. Prepare the slide rail, paired stud, and lock nut for the slide hammer. First, connect the lock nut to the stud. Next, install the stud onto the slide rail. Attach the slide hammer puller to the slide rail. Rotate the nuts and secure onto the puller. Slide the rail onto the puller tab. Slide the hammer to pull the tab and the dent outward. Once pulled to the desired level, Use the alcohol spray bottle to apply release agent to the glue surface. Remove the puller tab. Use the scraper to remove the glue and tab. Now, use a smaller puller tab for localized repair. Apply hot glue to the tab and install it on the dent. Press until the glue sets. Attach the slide hammer puller to the tab and slide the hammer to pull it out with the dent area. We can also use the bridge puller for precise dent repair. Install the bridge puller, align the upper puller head with the lower tab, and gently press the handle. Use the alcohol spray to remove the tab the same way. Remove the tab. The double cup bridge puller can pull dents from the outside while using a push rod to work from the inside. Now let's demonstrate the bridge puller. Apply hot glue to a stud-type puller tab and place it on the dent. Press until the glue sets. Once set, install the double cup bridge puller over the stud. Thread the nut onto the stud and rotate it to adjust pulling force. After adjusting, we can use a push rod from the inside to work the dent out. Remove the puller, spray with debonder, and remove the tab using the same procedure. Remove the tab. If you pull too far and the repair area may bulge outward, if there is the bulge, use the repair pin with the rubber mallet to tap it back down. First, replace the tip on top of the repair pin with the shape we want. Using a reflection board, we can clearly see the deformed area. Use a rubber mallet to tap the repair pin and repair the deformed area. After the repair is complete, remove the reflection board and use a polisher or other equipment to polish the repaired surface and remove any repair marks. Remove the reflection board. This inflatable bag type repair tool is suitable for use inside two metal panels. Insert the inflatable bag between the metal panels, and it can push the dent out from the inside. After inserting the inflatable bag into the metal panel, pump the air pump to inflate the bag and push the dent out. From the reflected stripes, we can see that the lines are smooth. The repair is complete.